Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using Simplifi to manage your finances, sharing it with your spouse can make budgeting a team effort. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get this set up, so you can collaborate seamlessly and keep your household finances on track. First off, make sure you're logged into your Simplifi account on the web or mobile app. Once you're in, head to the Settings menu. It's usually in the top right corner, represented by a gear icon. Look for the Account Sharing, or Invite Collaborators section. That's where you'll start the process. Next, click on Add Collaborator and enter your spouse's email address. Simplifi will prompt you to choose their access level. Options might include Viewer for read-only access, Editor for making changes, or Admin for full control. Select what works best for your situation to maintain privacy and trust. After you hit Send, your spouse will receive an email invitation with a link. They'll need to click it, log in to their own Simplifi account, or create one if they don't have it, and accept the invite. Once that's done, you'll both have access to the same budget data, allowing you to add expenses, track spending, and adjust categories together in real time. This is a game changer for couples, as it promotes transparency and helps avoid financial surprises. One quick tip. Before sharing, chat with your spouse about what information is sensitive and set clear boundaries. And if you run into any issues, Simplifi's Help Center has great resources. There you have it. Sharing Simplifi with your spouse is straightforward and can strengthen your financial partnership. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.